Hi guys, welcome back. So, in the beginning of this video, y'all, I'm just showing y'all the products that I'm using. Most of these products y'all have seen before. Is not my first time using. Some of them I just forgot to show in the last video, the African Pride products, but African Pride is definitely a favorite of mine. I just want to throw that out there. But anyway, yeah, so for the most part y'all will see the same products. My crazy brain, like, I be leaving out sometimes. Like, I'll leave out different products or I forget to show y'all, and that's my bad. But yeah, for the most part it's the same products every time. So today we're doing Paris's hair, and y'all, Paris gave me a hard time, okay? Like, a really hard time. We got through it, but yeah, she was cutting up today. Like, she definitely was just not having it. She didn't want to be still. Like, she wasn't like crying or anything like that. Like, she just didn't want to be still. And she didn't want me in her head, really. Like, you might see, like, she might grab at her hair or move my hand out the way. She did not want me in her head today. But anyway, so yeah, guys, I just took out the old style. I detangled her hair and I moisturized it. I just showed y'all all the products in the beginning of the video, like, not necessarily in order, but you know, I just wanted to just go ahead and show y'all so I didn't forget, like, throughout the video as I was going along to do her hair. So yeah, this style, guys, I just really like, most of the time I'm just going with the flow. I may like think of something in my head that I want to do, and then once I start on the girl's hair, I change my mind midway through the process. So that's like a little bit what happened here. I actually like it though. Like, it came out really, really cute, and it actually took like a shorter amount of time than the original style that I would have done. It's just she just wasn't having it today, and I was rushing, so I just cut it short and made it quick, and it actually turned out really cute, guys. Here I'm just parting. Like, you may have seen like this actual part type of like rubber band method, and you go upward, you know, or crisscross. Like, you could go crisscross. Like, I have done that style on the girl's hair before, and that was sort of like where I was going today, but I still wanted to like put a little twist on it, and it just wasn't working out. So we went with what ended up working out. Yeah, I tried a couple different things before I actually came to the conclusion of this style, guys. So yeah, I hope you all like it. It's pretty easy to follow along, and it was super fast. Like, I mean, super fast. I was very pleased with how fast I was able to do the style. It's just what took so long was because I kept changing, and I didn't know really where I was trying to go with it. So I was just making up things as I went. if I would have just went straight out to do this style without, you know, taking it out and doing other things, it would have went so quick. So I am so happy. Like, I think she looks so cute with this style. I love accessories, y'all. I love the hair accessories on the babies, the toddlers, the kids. I just think that it just does something, you know, like for the little girls. Like, yeah, like, I don't know how to explain it. But anyway, I'm gonna hush and I'm gonna let y'all watch the remainder of the video. If I have anything else to say, I will pop back in. I just wanted to come back in right quick, guys, and just explain. If y'all see me using rubber bands on Paris's hair, on the ends of her hair, that is just because of the texture of the girl's hair, and also because I feel like the rubber bands help hold the barrettes better. They don't just slide off so easy, you know. If anybody has ever experienced that problem, if y'all have a better way of doing it, you could leave it down in the comment section. But for me, this is like the best option, like the only thing that I know how to do that will keep the barrettes in place. And I don't like to wrap the girl's hair around the barrette so many times, just because it's, you know, just the shrinkage. So with the rubber band, I only have to do it like twice. Once even, but twice is usually what I do. So the rubber band is in place and it holds the barrette in place. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that, so in case y'all were like wondering, like, why are you putting rubber band when you're putting a barrette on there too? So yeah, like, it's just the texture and it would just slide off, and I'll just have to keep putting barrettes on and they'll be lost all over the place. this video. We made it to the end, and if you're still watching, then that means that you made it to the end too. So thank you for that. This style was super easy, guys, and super cute. I liked it way more than I thought I would. I did not know exactly where I was going with it, but it came out super cute and I love it. I don't even know what to call it. It's just a super cute toddler natural hairstyle. So anyway, guys, if it was your first time here, please make sure that you subscribe. If you like us, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time we upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.